Hey guys, I'm Alan. Today we received a hoverboard repair bought in KL 1 month ago, and the battery life is very short. The customer tested at the Dataran Pawan Garden, can only run about 2 rounds. So this definitely is a battery issue. This is the charger. It's a 2-pin charger, not safe. It's not Malaysia standard. It's a very low cost and lightweight. This is the hoverboard, 8-inch model. Still can move around. The first step we are going to do is full charge the hoverboard and run a diagnosis on battery. Hoverboard is charging. The LED light is red color. We will come back after the light turn yellow color. We are going to open the screw. This screw is missing. Just put it right here. Next, we are going to unplug this battery from the hoverboard. They are using the wrong screw. The screw should be this one, but they are using this one. So, wrong screw, wrong again, wrong screw. Okay, it should come out here. It said the battery is domestic, meaning that this is a China-made battery. We are going to test it. Got a voltage of 38.9 volt, below the full charge range. Full charge should be around 41 point something. Okay, let's see a normal battery. This is the CoolWheel battery. The full charge voltage is around 41 volt. Next, we are going to test the capacity of this battery using the discharge test. This is a battery discharge machine. This machine helps us to check every single battery inside the CoolWheel. So plug it. This is not a good battery, so we are a bit worried about the discharging capability. It might explode during the discharging process, so we have to lower down the discharging rate to half of the specification. So it will be 5 amp per hour. Now we will start the discharging process. The battery died before 30 volt. The cutoff is happened before the expected voltage. This is a very common problem happened by the low-cost battery. So a good battery shouldn't automatically cut off during the discharging process. This battery actually is not the capacity problem, it's the battery cell problem. And V1, the cycle is 0.37 Ah and the time is around 4 minutes. In conclusion, the battery is having the earlier cut-off issue. This issue is very common in the hoverboard industry. The only solution to repair is replace the battery. The LG or the Samsung battery we are using, fully tested and full capacity is Rm 350 ringgit. Maybe they bought the hoverboard at very low price, maybe around 700. Sound very cheap and very affordable, but the battery it sucks. So you need to take out another 350 ringgit just to replace the good battery. At last, you end up with 1050 ringgit on a non-guaranteed hoverboard. Warranty-wise, I think they don't get the warranty, so they come to us after 1 month of the purchase. Your kids will fall down because the battery suddenly cut off. Your kids will be injured badly. Consider the battery. So in CoolWheel, every battery we will run a full capacity discharge test to make sure the capacity is up to the standard and there will not sudden cut off, to make sure the battery is quality guaranteed. Thank you for your time and hope to see you soon. Bye!